and welcome to my unboxing video. Today I'm unboxing Rainy Days. This is the March subscription kit from Planners Anonymous. This month I've just done everything a little bit different and I've removed all the plastic off everything. This here's the standard subscription kit, and at the end of the video we'll have a look at the extra add-on paper pack and the add-on sticker kit. For now, let's have a look at the papers in the standard monthly subscription kit. The first page is this really bright and cheerful umbrella and raindrop pattern. And on the back of that page, we've got this watercolour. Then we've got these bright and cheerful flowers. I think they're pansies. And on the back of that, a lovely yellow watercolour. Then this gorgeous park scene here with the park bench, the puddles and the raindrops, and this watercolour on the background. So we have a total of 6 patterned papers. They're all double-sided, so 3 different ones with 2 of each one. Then we have a sheet of vellum, which you can see is transparent and it's nice and thin, perfect for layering, and it has the lovely pansy pattern on it. And then we've got a sheet of acetate with gold raindrops on it. If I just grab a page here to place that on. Sorry about the light there, but hopefully you can see these raindrops. I do apologise for the lighting in this video. We're in coronavirus lockdown and I'm having to film in a different place from usual. But anyway, on with the video. Looking at the other items that come in the monthly kit, first of all we have a pen, and that has gold hardware. It's a ballpoint pen, and then we've got these lovely yellow and blue crystals inside it. This is the girl for the month. Every month we have a different themed girl, and there she is there with her umbrella in the park, and her name is Indra. If you'd like to read that, you could just pause the video here and read that. Next up we've got some quote cards. So we've got Learn to Dance in the Rain, Raindrops Keep Falling on My Head, Music to My Soul, When It Rains It Pours, Rain Brings Rainbows, and April Showers Bring May Flowers. And there's the backing card, which is also great to craft with. So we've got our 6 quote cards, and as they have been for the last few months, they're on a plain watercolour background, and that helps them pop when you put them on the patterned papers, for example. The mystery item this month is super cute. It's a notepad. We've got the open window here with the pot plant on it. They're not sticky, it is just a notepad, and these look super cute. There's quite a lot of those, as you can see there. Next we've got all our die cuts. So the 5x7 inch art card is Life's Too Short. Love the colours in this. And the pocket, every month there's a pocket and it has perforated edges so we can fold them like this. This month it's a little bit different and super special. It's got these little bits overhanging the pocket which make it look absolutely super cute. So you can attach that, for example, to a dashboard, and then that will fit things like your stickers inside there. Super cute. And these are all the other die cuts, so we'll just quickly look at them. These little houses here, really cute, and then we've got some giant raindrops. Here we have all the die cuts for the month. Lovely bright cheerful colours, absolutely love them. Love the style of these houses and this tree. They're just looking super cute together. And here's the stamp set for the month. No quotes this month, but lots of cute little deco items. Love the little houses and trees down here. And we've got some of these darker stamps here. There's 3 of them. So they have matching outlines. And with the darker stamp, you can stamp one colour, for example, and then stamp the outline in another colour. Lots of fun to play with. We get some sticker sheets in the standard monthly kit, so these are them this month. Love these little spotty boots here. And then these functional icons and things, and we can see here the kit for next month is Sail and Sea. So 4 sheets of stickers as per usual. The final thing in the standard subscription kit is washi, and we've got 3 rolls of washi in different widths. I've just rolled them out on this piece of paper, and you can see the thin washi this month is designed to be a vertical washi with big raindrops. The 15mm washi has pansies with a gold foiled raindrop on it, and then we've got the wider washi, which is a super cute house scene. Lots of houses in a row here with gold foiling details on it, including gold raindrops, which hopefully you can see catching in the light there. That's everything that was in the standard monthly kit, and now let's have a look at the add-on paper pack. You can add a paper pack onto your subscription kit each month, and it has 6 additional double-sided papers and an extra sheet of acetate and vellum. This one here is gorgeous with all of the different boots. And on the reverse of it, we have this watercolour. And then this gorgeous house print. And on the reverse of that, a grey watercolour. This one is amazing. This is lovely. This is my favourite page. Love the windows and the shutters with the raindrops. And on the reverse of that, a lovely green. And then, as I said, 1 additional sheet of acetate and an additional sheet of vellum. So that's the add-on paper pack. And now we have the additional sticker kit. Here she is here with her beautiful blue umbrella. I'm loving this rainbow here because there's so much colour in the rainbow. Everything else is yellows, blues and greys, so the rainbow really stands out. And we've got our planner guy. Lots of umbrellas. These are just super cute. Just love the style of those. Lots of planner items here with the cart, the laptop, the cups, etc. A whole page of pansies. These are beautiful in the vases. Love these stickers. We had these maybe 2 months ago, maybe last month, and they're really good for having things in between these 2 stickers and using these 2 as borders. They look super good. Then we've got various quotes here, and these stickers are perfect for smaller planners. These, love them. And these functional boxes here, which are super functional, lots of space to write on, but still pretty decorative. Here we've got our double box, which is actually cut as 2 full boxes. So these are 1.5 inch width, and these full boxes here. This, stunning. 2 months of date dots and the super cute little sticky notes. And then we've got the pages of weekly headers in the blue, yellow, the darker blue / grey, and a green. And then minis, super cute minis. A page of more functional minis and then the page of decorative minis, although both pages really are decorative. Love the minis. a total of 17 sticker sheets in the sticker kit this month, which is great value. So I'm loving the yellows and the blues, the rain. It's raining today, so it's very appropriate. And I'm looking forward to creating with it. Hopefully you've enjoyed this unboxing, and you can come back and watch some future videos where I craft with these items. Thanks for watching. Bye.